Here we are at the abandoned ship. A lot of Thai people believe it's a lot of ghosts in there. A few people have hung themselves in there as well, apparently. It's a pretty scary place, huh? Unfortunately, we can't go in because it's closed for renovation. So here we are in the hotel that's been abandoned. The man's going to cook us some crabs. Right here. Look good, huh? Okay, so this hotel, I guess, used to operate many years ago, and it's kind of just abandoned in a way. As you can see, it looks very like 1970 style or something. But, we just walked in randomly, and they said, "Do you want a beer and a crab?" I said, "Yep." So. What's that one?
All right.